Do is for action or work, and make is for creation. Number 1. I need to blank my homework. Should we say make or do? Well, homework is a task, not something we create. You don't make homework unless you are a teacher, right? You do homework. Do is perfect for actions or duties, like do your job, do your laundry, do your best. So the answer is do. The sentence means I have to complete my homework. Let's read it again. I need to do my homework. Great job. Number 2. She will bake a cake. Now, think. Can you create or produce a cake? Yes, you mix flour, sugar, eggs. That's creation. So we use make. We say make a cake, make dinner, make coffee. Do a cake sounds like you are taking an exam on cakes. So the answer is make. It means she will prepare or bake a cake. Let's read it again. She will make a cake. Awesome. Number 3. Don't blank that mistake again. Mistakes aren't tasks. They are creations of trouble. When we accidentally create something bad, we still use make. We make a mistake, make trouble, make noise. So it's don't make that mistake again. It means don't do that wrong thing again. Number 4. Let's blank some plans tonight. Well, plans are things we create, not the actions we perform. You make plans, not do plans. So the answer is make again. It means let's create some ideas for tonight. Let's read it again. Let's make some plans tonight. Nice work, my friend. So, quick recap. Do is for actions or work, and make is for creating or producing something. Easy to remember. Do your homework. Make your dreams. I'm Nelson, and hey, if you make mistakes, it just means you're doing English right. I'll see you next time. Bye.